Hey guys, it's Catfish back with another video. And on today's video, say goodbye to the SS. He's fixing to leave right now. Yeah, CJ showing the winner how to let the top down and everything. It's finna leave. It's out of here. Yeah, dude came down from Cincinnati to get it, man. Yep. But yeah, man. Look at the dually. Man. I finally get to film the whole fleet. Look at the dually, man. The dually with the twisted. Yeah. Yeah, I know it. Look at it. Look at that float cap. Yeah, the front one don't float, but the rest of them do. Yeah. Yes, sir. Let me show you. He got Lawsuit Jerry working, man. Hey guys, CJ got Lawsuit Jerry working. Look at Jerry.
Huh?
Look at Jerry working. Look at him.
Man, this is my 4 points.
I know. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, bruh.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jerry washing the Camaro right now. Y'all see him? Buffing Jerry. There you go, guys. He doing his thing. There you go. Say hi.
Yep. What's up, 32 gang?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man, this gonna put me to sleep tonight.
Hey, yep. You've been busy.
Got that right.
Yeah, you got the TRX right here. Yes, sir. This thing is nasty, guys. This is my first time seeing it with the rims on it. Yep. Got the GT63. This thing clean too. Yep. You got it all blacked out, man. Yep. There go Lawsuit Jerry mobile. Y'all see he took the rims off because he finna get rid of it. Y'all see it, Lawsuit Jerry. 32 gang. See the plate? Yeah. So yeah, man. But guys, I'll get back to you guys in a second. Yeah, guys, we back. And guess where we are today? We at the 32 gang Clubhouse, man. So this is my first time ever seeing all the cars together. So I know y'all done seen these cars a million times, but you ain't never seen them on Catfish channel. So I'm gonna let y'all see them.
This is your first time in the Playhouse, right?
Yeah, guys, we in the Playhouse. Look at this. Woo, the Snowhawk. Man, this is unreal, man. Got the Daytona. Got the Hellcat Durango. You got the Red Eye. Wow. Got the Red Eye. We got the Tank. Got the 442. You got Becky. Man, wow, this is crazy, guys. Having fun today, just hanging out with CJ and the gang, man. They go best the next one up, guys. Becky. Yep. Then you got the Escalade over there. Woo, look at him. Look at that green. I know y'all see that green flipping right there. That's crazy. Y'all see the blue? And when I turn the camera, I know y'all can see that green right there. Look, y'all see that green? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, got the big floating caps on here. Yes, sir. Yeah, we just hanging out with CJ, man. Angie here too. Her birthday. She came down for her birthday, guys. Yep, look at that. Let me pan back and let y'all get a good visual. That is ridiculous, man. Wow. There go the birthday girl right there.
Oh, what up? You're about to get turned up.
Angie with the hips and lips.
Yeah, CJ just the guy with the that won the car just drove off in it. This TRX is nice with the wheels on it. Man. You got it all blacked out too, guys.
I like that you went with a different wheel too.
Yes, sir. How long you out here for? You going back tonight?
Nah, I'm not going back to tomorrow.
Oh shit. Who you staying with?
I don't know yet.
Fly by G Money.
Come on, CJ. Probably Danny.
Fly by G Money.
Oh boy, you look at CJ. He talking stuff over there,
Who is
guys.
that?
Danny. DDS Danny.
Oh, a girl.
Yeah, DDS.
You gonna fly by like that?
Look at the lights in
I
there.
ain't got the kids tonight either.
Y'all see this thing, boy. Look. Boy, the TRX, man. Oh, boy. Yeah. CJ told me to come on by and shoot the fleet. Y'all see them big tips on there. Got them big tips. She's sitting there purring too, boy. I see that TRX. Ram 4x4. Yes, sir. CG over there. Let me see how Uncle Jerry doing in here.
Fly by G Money.
Let me see what Uncle Jerry doing. Uncle Jerry, you ain't done yet? Everybody want to know you done yet.
That's it.
You getting it together, bro?
Yeah.
Look at him, guys.
Yeah,
Gang.
the lead spots on here dried up. To
Gang. Check Jerry out. Jerry doing, look at Jerry, guys. Jerry doing the damn thing, boy. 32 gang in the building. Jerry wiping on the, hey. Jerry wiping on the monster. This thing is nice, guys. Look at the rims. Got the big cap on them. Forgiatos. Yep. I think he finna put the 63 in the clubhouse. I don't know. Try to see what he's doing. That thing threw my head back. I know y'all saw the CJ video. That thing is nasty, boy. Yes, sir. It's the first time I seen it clean, because when we was together, it was raining. This first time I seen it mounted. First time I seen it mounted up too. Yes, sir. Got the windows done, mounted up. Y'all see that lip in the back? Yep. GT63S AMG. Yes, sir. Thing is nasty. All right, guys, I'll get back with you in a second. All right, guys, we back. CJ back in a Camaro up in the clubhouse. J directing him. I think he putting it in the spot over there. Yeah, guys, here go the fleet, man. 2 cars done left in the last month and a half. We're gonna go get Jerry. We're gonna go get Jerry working. He got Jerry on double duty today. How many does this make today, Jerry?
Huh?
How many cars does this make today?
5.
5. Jerry doing all the damn cars. Check him out, guys. He's doing the damn thing, man. Yeah, guys, Jerry doing double duty. Alright, guys, this is just a little video. Here go the birthday girl one more time. Angie and the kids.
What up, you guys?
Yeah, it's her birthday.
Thank you for the birthday wishes.
Oh yeah. So yeah, man, we finna check out.
It's cold out here.
Yeah, we finna check out, guys. We go CJ and Boots. There go the Clubhouse, man. Hey guys, that's gonna do it for this edition of Catfish Corner from the 32 Game Clubhouse. Hanging out with CJ, Angie and the kids, Lawsuit Jerry, and Big Boo J. And just like that, this video is over. Peace.